Hi everyone. Today is the 3rd of July, and this is like my second video. And today I'll be sharing with you why using Trustpilot is great for your website's SEO. And if you have not registered for Trustpilot yet, it's completely free. It's just that you must use the business email that is associated to your website. Yeah. So let us go through the reasons why Trustpilot is a great third-party review tools. So well, the first reason is that it's a third-party review site that is used by tons of companies that are using it. So let me share with you. Yes. So this is one of my clients' website. They are Fabulous Swim School. So when they first started, they are not ranking that well. But the thing is, we back then I was only tasked to rank for one particular area, which is the instruction, swimming instructors um, certification. Yeah, so they are running in Singapore, and if you can see that all the reviews are done, most of them are Singaporeans or located in Singapore. Uh, these people they wanted to be a swimming coach. Yes, in Singapore, you need to if you want to teach people to swim for to earn money. Yes, you need to have a certification. So let's move on from there. So the thing is, once we use this Trustpilot, the ranking went up to for this company. Now it's not ranking that well because they stopped using the SEO already. I'm just sharing with you uh, what we did. Yeah. So the highest that we went it was around I think third placing. Yeah, for swimming coach certification. Yes. Yeah. So uh, let me go. Okay. So if you can see here in Trustpilot, there are tons of websites that are ranking, and these are all the categories. Yeah. So for let's just go to home improvement and just take a look at what's showing out. So you can see that there are around 3,000 plus. Yeah. So maybe you can just take a look at this company, Birds. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Sorry if I butchered your name, this company's name. Hmm. So you can see that it's showing out on the search result of Google. Yeah. So this is the second reason why. It's because it gives the searcher who are researching for the brand's name uh, to have more trust. Yeah. So once you see this showing out here, I think it's the same. Yeah. You will want to go and check it out and show more trust to this birds.com. And the main third reason is that this is a user generated content page review page that's talking about the company. So let us see if we use this three dots here, it will show more stuff. So once you are here, just click on more about this page, and Google will show you what they are looking at, and they gather information about your this website. So they are using Trustpilot, even this Better Bureau, Business Bureau, and this Irada Country Economic Development Corporation as well. And even yeah, they are using all this. By the way, when you are researching for all your competitors, this is a great way to find out what links that use Google is actually using to refer and to find out more about you, about your company. So you can see that they appear in Amazon as well. Uh, this restaurant there, I'm not sure what is this. So the thing is, they are showing out on X, is social media, and this Better Business Bureau. Hmm. So it's helping this company to rank well on Google. I hope so because I have not really uh, did any research on this company. But it's a great way because I myself have done it for my client. So why not you try it? Anyway, it's free. You just need to get your customers to do the review. You can use the video, the tips that I share with you on my previous first video. And yeah, try it out. If it's good, you can share it here and tell me about it on this video. So I think that will be all for me today. So if you like this video, just help me comment, Trustpilot review, optimize, yeah, Trustpilot, maybe Trustpilot SEO review. Yes. Okay. Thank you.